ACL or anterior cruciate ligament is one of the most important ligament of the knee joint, and it is one of the most important stabilizer of the knee joint. And this ACL is commonly injured during sports activities due to sudden twisting of your knee, sudden deceleration activities. Sometimes even a simple fall can damage your ACL. So the main symptoms of this ACL injury is pain, a kind of popping sensation in your knee. Your knee will feel like it is going away. You always feel there is something unstable in your knee. So if these ACL injuries, if they are not treated, if they are neglected, they may lead to damage to other intra-articular structures in the knee as well, which leads to early arthritis of the knee joint. So the treatment options for this ACL tear varies from simple medication and physiotherapy for small strains to sometimes you may need ACL reconstruction surgery, that is an arthroscopic surgery, a keyhole surgery, where you reconstruct the ligament using another ligament which is present in your body. Whatsoever, it is always beneficial to identify the ACL injuries as early as possible and treat them accordingly to have a healthy and happier life.